Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video today. I am heading into Walgreens. What's today? Today is Thursday. I've made a few trips this week. I just haven't had the time to really put a video together. I'm working on studying for my final exam, so it's just been busy and Christmas and all of that good stuff. But I am heading into Walgreens. I'm going to show you guys some of the deals that I've been picking up. We do have a really good deal on the Shea Moisture products. If you use those, we do have some Ibotta rebates, so making them to come out just about 50 cents or so. And on this card that I'm going to be shopping on, it is a newer card. So the spin boosters are, I guess, lower. So I have a spend 30 to get back 7. I have already met my tracking trip for those on this particular account, so I won't be tracking towards that. But I'm going to show you guys some of the other things that you can also grab in store if you need. But I'm just going to grab some quick things. I think I might pick up the Shea Moisture here or not, but I'll show you guys based on inventory what they have. Let me know what you guys are doing for Christmas. I can't believe it's Christmas already next week. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Christmas already. Anyways, if you guys are new, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. I would love to have you here. And if you guys are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in to another video today. All right, guys, so I am here. I'm also looking for some other gifts because we have an event at work tomorrow, so I'm supposed to bring a gift. So I'm trying to see here if I find any gift sets or anything that I can use, but I don't know if I see anything that I could bring, like for a white elephant, other than, yeah, for some reason this store does not have any gift sets at all, so that's interesting. But anyways, let me take you guys around. I'll show you guys what I'm picking up, or some of the sales that are still going on. All right, so here is the deal for the Shea Moisture. You can pick up the items that are $10. So we do have a $5 digital coupon, so that'll take you directly to $20. So when you spend $20, you get back $10 in register rewards, and then you'll submit back to Ibotta for $4. And then you're gonna get back to $10, making them $1 or about 50 cents each. So the item that I picked up yesterday that worked, I don't know where this came from, so I'm just gonna, I don't want to put this in the wrong place. I'm just gonna put it down here. I did the mousse because that's what I needed, but so this is $2 more. But make sure you're scanning your Ibotta to see what's working for you. A deal that I'm thinking of doing, which I may not do on this card because I only have to spend 30, is on the Schick products. They are $9.99, and then spend 20, you're gonna get back 10. I believe we do have $4 coupons, but you have to spend 20, and they are $9.99. So since the men one, I don't see any refills for them. You can pick up a refill for the women's at $14.99 and one of the men's at $9.99. Oh, and look, these products are included as well. And that'll take you over the $20 mark so that you can get back to $10. But again, I'm gonna wait to do this deal later since I'm not using a higher booster for this transaction today. We also have Pantene. They are on sale, various prices from $5 to $8 to $7, and then they're on promotion, buy 2 to get back $3. We do have digital coupons as well, so if this is an item that you need, pick it up. I'm not gonna pick this up because I think it comes out to be too expensive, so I won't pick it up. If you do need a filler item, the L'Oreal Elvive is a good product to pick up. There are 2 for $10. We do have digital coupon along with the IVC coupon, taking off $2 on 2 of them, so that's also another product if you need it. Nothing coming back, just digital coupons. or and then we have the Nexus. I'm not picking up the Nexus because they're not a good seller for me, but they're on sale $16, spend $20 to get back $10 in register rewards. All right, so the item that I wanted to pick up is the fillers here, the toothbrush heads rather. I say fillers. They are $8 on promotion. For when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $7 in register rewards. There's only one more left, so I'm not gonna pick this up, but there's a $10 digital coupon that's attaching to the refills. Since there's only one, I guess I won't be doing the deal for this one either. Of course, we have Colgate on promotion. I'm gonna pick up the Colgate. They are $4, buy 2 to get back $3 in Walgreens and register rewards. And we also have digital coupons, $2 for the toothbrush and $2 for the toothpaste. I am gonna pick up those 2. And then over here we also have the the Crest products. So you can do the toothpaste, the toothbrushes that are $5. I think I'm gonna get one of the toothbrushes. Yeah, I was gonna get one of the toothbrushes, but I think I'm gonna stick to the toothpaste and pick up 2 of them because we do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for these 2. So I'm gonna see what I end up doing, but alternatively you can pick up a toothpaste and a toothbrush or the mouthwash as well. All right, so I ended up going with 2 of the toothpaste. I saw this tag yesterday in store for some of these stuff, so I'm not sure what's all included, but these Always products are tagged. Oh, the sale ended on the 14th. Never mind. But here's a tag. So these are $9.79, and then spend 15, you get back $2. Spend 20, you get back 5. Spend 30, you get back 10. This ends December 21st, which is Saturday, but I'm not sure what's all included on this product, so I'm not tempted to try this and do this deal. If you guys, try it or do it, let me know. Look at these. It's a $5 coupon on here, and sometimes like these have rebates on swag bucks, so if you have that spend 60 booster and you're trying to get filler items, or you're trying to get bulk up your transaction to use Walgreens cash, picking up the vitamins this week are a good way to go. I did this earlier, but they are buy one get one free. So, and then the Nature Made have a $3 coupon. So if you are in need of vitamins, this is a good item to pick up and build up your transaction. So there's not a ton of items happening in the laundry aisle this week, which is so sad because I always look forward to picking up laundry products. We do have the Persil that are on promotion, $5.99 buy 4 to get back $5 in register rewards. And we also have the Purex at $8.99 buy 1 and then get 2 free. What I was interested in picking up, which I think I might, is the Purex crystals. They are $3.99. I believe I saw a $1 digital coupon for this, and Ibotta has rebate for $2. So I think I'm gonna pick this up and throw it into my transaction. All right, so I was trying to build up my transaction, but I don't see a whole lot more things that I wanna pick up, at least for this trip. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the Scott. They are buy one get one half off. So this deal always comes around is either they're buy one get one half off, or you get the 125. So this week is the buy one get one half off. Since I need I think I'll do 2 toilet papers. We do have a $2 digital coupon. We also have Charmaine. They are $5.49 buy 2 get back 3, and we do have 50-cent coupons. And then we have Quilted Northern and the Dixie plates, Angel Soft. They are $6.99, and then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $3 in register rewards. There's also some coupons in the app as well. So I think I'm gonna add this up and then see where I am, and I just might call it a day. All right guys, so since I actually need some of these disposable plates for Christmas, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a pack of the Dixie plate, $6.99. and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a quilted northern. Now when I scanned this, the plates, the coupon didn't show up, but when I added to my cart it did. And then it says Dixie plates or Angel Soft, which is why I wanted to pick this up to make sure that the coupon comes off both. I am at $43 and some change, so I think I'll just use 10 in Walgreens cash. All right guys, so I've decided to bulk up my transaction and use, wait, I don't know why this is not focused, and use $20 in Walgreens. I'm gonna pick up 4 of the Old Spice at $6.49 each. They are buy one get one half off. So I'm picking up 3 of the same ones because I have a 6 off of 2, and then I'm gonna pick up one different one because I have $1 off of 1. If I can find, here it goes, another one. And the promotion is when you buy 4, you're gonna get back $4 in register rewards. So I'm gonna pick these up. I'm gonna go ahead and leave these because with everything in my cart, I'm at $51 and some change. I only need $20 to, I just lost my thought. I need to use $20 in Walgreens cash. So after I use $20, that'll take me to $31 and some change, right? So $31.45. We have $6 coming off here, or 7. $1 here, $1 off of the Dixie plates, $2 off the Colgate items each, and then 4 off of 2 and 4 off of, well, 2 off of 2 for this here. I should pay about $13 and some change, and then I'm gonna get back $7 for spending $30. I'll get back $4 for the Crest, $4 for the Old Spice, $3 for the Dixie plate and the paper, and then $3 here. I do have a paper coupon, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it so I can a paper booster, so that I can get a little bit back. And just for reference, this is a paper booster, so I have a 7 when you spend 40, and then I have a 5 when you spend 25. I'm gonna go ahead and use this 5 here since I'm not at $40. So yeah, I'll show you guys my receipt once I get back in the car. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you how to do the contactless pay. So I'm here in my Walgreens, and then you want to make sure that you're all logged in. Once you have logged in, you can either click on your person, that'll take you to Walgreens cash, and then from there you can add your method. So add payment to wallet, you'll just click there, and then from there add a new method. So I have a burner card, like a gift card that I got. That's what you'll put your card number. Like this card has no money on it, but because it expires way later, it's going to allow me to use it for contactless pay, even though it's gonna kick it back out. So 508. All right, and then I'm gonna put my billing address. All right, so I've added my billing address. So now my card is here. So when I go to check out, I can go to view my wallet, and then from there you're gonna see that card is gonna pop up, and then from there I can choose how much Walgreens cash I want to use. I'm gonna use 20, and then I'm gonna hit pay now. Once I hit pay now, it's gonna produce a barcode. This barcode is good for at least 5 minutes or so, and then they're gonna check that barcode out. Once they scan that, your account is gonna pull up along with coupons and everything like that. So this is how you're able to pair up a booster with a with your digital booster. All right guys, so I am back from Walgreens. Here is my receipt. I got the Old Spice, $6.49 and then half off. Here is the Scott, the Crest, the Quilted Northern, the Dixie, Colgate products. Here is that point booster that I used, and then register rewards. I used a 3 and a 4, and I had a 7 that didn't go through, so she manually put it through. Let's look at the digital coupons. Here's a $6, $4 off the Crest, $2 off the Colgate, $2 off the Scott, $1 and $1 of the Dixie and the Quilted Northern toilet paper. Subtotal was $26.94. Used 20 in Walgreens cash. paid that out of pocket, and then here's what I got back. So $12, $7 for spending $30, and the $5 Jesus paper booster. The register reward did not print because I don't know, the machine was not working. So she ended up giving me back Walgreens cash, which I was supposed to get back $14. So here's $10 right here that she gave me, taking my total to $58. And then here is the other $5. Jesus. All right, so here is the $5 here, taking my total to $63. So most days I would rather take the register rewards than Walgreens cash because you can use them on any account. What I also am missing is the $1 that didn't come off of the Old Spice, which I thought it might not have been coming off, but anyways, it's okay. I am going to submit my receipt to Fetch. I forgot to tell you guys, I'm gonna get $1.50 back for the Old Spice when I spend $15. This is my second time doing it, so yeah, I think it was $19. So yeah, if I do it one more time again, I'll get an extra $1.50 back. So this is all I've got for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I'd like to have you here, and also give the video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.